Let's say you've been tracking noisy temperature room data every 15 seconds, but your boss only cares about the averages for every minute. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can use Pandas resampling to easily take this noisy data and smooth it out to generate more insightful information from these sensors. Let's get started. In this notebook, I'm importing two different libraries, Pandas as PD and NumPy as NP, and I'm going to create a data set over the range of about 10 minutes where I'm going to sample every 15 seconds. And so that is what I'm generating in this line here. Then I'm going to use a random number generator to simulate getting temperature measurement data in this data set. Next, I'm going to create a data frame with my timestamps and my temperature, and then set the index to my timestamp. And you can see that here. And now you can see my timestamp as the index and my temperature here. If you look at the full data set, you'll see that we have our 10-minute data with sampling every 15 seconds. And so in this simulation, let's assume this is very noisy data and we want to downsample this data. So I want to demonstrate how easily we can resample this data using a method called df resample. If you look at the documentation, this is a data frame method, but there's also a Pandas series method as well. And if you want, here is the URL for the documentation. And you can see there have been a few changes since the 2.0.0 update, but towards the end of this, you will see a number of examples where you can see how to apply our resampling method. So back to the notebook. I'm going to take my data frame and resample every minute. And as part of that, I'm going to compute the mean for my data that's recorded every 15 seconds, and then just return the first 5 rows using this head method there. When I run this cell, you will see that I have now my data sampled every minute. And you can tell the data has been resampled because of the timestamps here where we started 10:00:00 and then we go to 10:01. If you look at the original data, you see we start at 10:00 and then we increment by 15 seconds. Also, those 4 measurements between the first 15 seconds and the final 15 seconds are being averaged into this temperature value there. And of course, this data set is significantly shorter because of our downsampling of this data. So we can also sample and use different methods by which to aggregate. In this case, I'm also demonstrating our ability to downsample every 1 minute and then record the maximum value. And in the next cell, I'm showing how we can use the resample method and then use a sum aggregator. Now, this method would be way more useful if we were doing event counting or some other instance here, but in this case, I'll just keep the original data and just show how we can use a number of different methods chained together with this data set. Of course, we can also change the intervals by which we are downsampling. So let's downsample to every 2 minutes or every 5 minutes. You can see how we're quickly shrinking down the data set to get the new values there. So I also want to demonstrate the visual effect of resampling the data. Now I need to import matplotlib as PLT, and then I'm going to make 2 different line plots, one with the original data sampled every 15 seconds and with my resampled data sampled every 1 minute with averaging. So with the downsampled data, we can see we have a much smoother trend in our data set here, where we have perhaps a sensor that is really noisy or time events that are not happening on this 15-second interval. And we can essentially smooth this data out and see longer lasting trends within the data. So this is incredibly important when you have noisy sensor data. And so as a final add-on, let me demonstrate what this looks like on my real sensor data. On my project channel, I'm actually using multiple sensors to monitor my indoor air quality, and I'm sampling every minute. But let's say I want to downsample every 10 minutes. So I'm going to demonstrate this code in the context of a larger project that you can find on my Analytical Code projects channel. So here I am sampling data in 2 rooms, my office and my main level. And I have my time set as the index, and I'm localizing that to my time zone. Now I mentioned that my data is being sampled every 1 minute, but I want to demonstrate the importance of being able to smooth this data out. And so I'm going to resample every 10 minutes. And so I'm going to take the average of those measurements and now compute that for every 10 minutes. When I do that, I get very smooth data where the orange trace is my main level sensor and the blue trace is my VOC sensor in my office. In this case, if you can see that other sensors as well, in this case, the temperature has a lot of spikes. We can even smooth it out by further downsampling. We see my humidity percent, my visible sensor, and a lot of other data. And we can see that because we're able to downsample, we can eliminate a lot of the noise from the measurements and get better trends that we can use to infer insights from these different rooms. And so now I've demonstrated how we can use these techniques in a very simple example, but also apply these to real world scenarios. In the case if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what other techniques you want me to apply to these time series data. In any case, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.